Welcome to BoxOfDocs. This software will help get you the exact documents you are looking for from our vast nationwide member storehouse. To log on, simply go to the BoxOfDocs site sign-in link located in the right top corner. Or type in app.boxofdocs.ca into your favorite browser. Use your username or email and password. To start searching, simply start typing keywords into the search bar. If a title document shows beneath the search bar that's of interest, simply select it with one of the cursor keys. Otherwise, just continue typing all of your keywords into the search bar and click enter. You can use the filters on the left to further refine your search by province, status, community type, document type, you can even use the population sliders to change the population or population density. You can also restrict your rating range. If a particular municipality is of interest, simply click this text field and select it from the list, or just start typing. All of these filters can be compressed simply by clicking the little greater than sign on the left. Your filters can be reset at any time by simply clicking this Reset Filters. You can also change the sort order by simply clicking on the sort control and selecting the sort order that's most relevant to you, that will bring the results that you want to the top of the list. You can view items in your list in the search without leaving the screen or the search, simply by clicking on this quick view icon. If you find an error with a document, we'd like to know. Simply click on the Report Error and tell us what's wrong. Remember to click Send. If you really like a document, please feel free to leave a rating. Simply click on the rating link, create a rating, and remember to click Save. Once a document has one or more ratings, you can view them by clicking on Comments. If a document is of particular interest to you, simply click on the title and a new tab will open up with that document. You can then later review a collection of documents that you have in your tabs. You can also save from this spot using your browser save. If you're stuck trying to think of what keywords that might be applicable to your search, give the quick search a try. Simply hover over one of the menu items and select one of the suggested keywords. You can still filter your search and refine it as you wish. To sign out, simply click on the little arrow beneath or to the right of your username and click Sign Out. We hope this gives you a taste of what you can do with BoxOfDocs and how it will help you accelerate your research. Why reinvent the wheel when you can just start driving the best? Happy document hunting!